Hey, it's time for another beater box unboxing with me, SB Mitch. What kind of shoes are we gonna find in this box today? Be sure to stay tuned and then get really mad on the internet because that's worth your time and energy. Just learned how to whistle last week. Hello! Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this here video. I appreciate it. Welcome to my channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram on the handle on your screen right now. And I also have a website called ransomnotesneakers.com where you can find everything I pull out of this box and everything I've pulled out of other various boxes in the past. Today's video is a beater box from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed membership-only beater box program. This box next to me was $675 plus $40 to ship it all the way here to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, for a grand total of $715. These boxes are set up to make you money because they price them under market, but be sure to stick around until the end because my good friend MC Hammer and I are gonna break it down to show you the market value versus how much I actually paid. So let's open it! Have a little bit of coffee first, because that's all I need is more energy. Box is open. Before we get into it, look, that's clearance. That's a counter. They'll be letting you know how much each shoe is worth. How much it's worth, not how much it costs.
How much it's worth.
Based on data collected from secondary marketplaces.
Not how much they're for sale for, how much they're worth.
Hey, shoes. We have a couple loose pairs. I'm gonna grab this one out first. This is I think it's dead stock, not 100% sure, but this is a size 13 Air Force One high of the Just Do It recent release. It's got the logos all over the place with a white midsole and the Air Force One strap. No box though, that's kind of weird. This shoe is what you would consider megawatt, but it is a size 13. I think it's either dead stock or tried on, but it's not unlaced, so my guess would be dead stock. So there's your first shoe, size 13, Air Force One, Just Do It logos thing. Let's keep going. So there looks like there's two more loose pairs in here. This is a size 11. This was my shoe of the year last year. This is the 2018 retro of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. See a lot of wear on the bottoms. Decent amount of star loss on there, which is kind of a shame. No box. I mean, they're in wearable condition. I mean, if you need a backup pair or just need some beaters, I'll clean them up. They'll look really nice, and yeah, we'll see what happens with them. But I mean, someone definitely loved these, so I mean, that's totally okay, because this is an awesome pair in my opinion. So, size 11, Black Cement 3 from 2018, no box. Shoe number 2. What's shoe number 3? Well, nobody. Shoe number 3 is a size, what is this? Size 6.5 pair with no box. This is a pair of Air Jordan 11 Retro Cool Grays from like 2010 or 2011, I always forget. They're in really good condition though. Definite insole wear, but not much creasing on the patent leather toe box as you can tell. A little bit of discoloration on the bottoms, which is gonna happen with shoes that are older than 3 years old, basically. It's a small size, 6.5 youth. This is one of the better colorways of the Jordan 11, aside from like obvious Concord and BRED. A little bit older, so can't really complain. There you go, 6.5 youth, cool gray 11s. That concludes all these shoes without boxes. Let's jump into these shoes with boxes. Look, some Adidas. First one, it's an NMD XR1, size 10.5. This is the Duck Camo NMD XR1, and this is a dead stock pair, so that's not too bad. XR1s are weird because they have this cage thing going on. It's got a boost midsole, woo, dropping things, black outsole, and this camo print all over the upper. A lot of people still like NMDs, and this is a dead stock pair, and it's a colorway that a lot of people like because camo and light colorways, don't know why, are big hits. So 10.5 NMD XR1 Duck Camo. I would imagine the value on that's about 100 bucks, something like that. So there's another Adidas. I'm getting them out of the way right now because I know very little about Adidas and other things. This is an NMD R2 Prime Knit, size 10.5. This is a dead stock pair as well. This is a size 10.5 pair of the NMD R2 BRED. It's called BRED because of the massive red chunky thing over here. But again, standard NMD. The print, the knit is kind of weird. It's got this like vertical thing going on here. Simple colorway. Don't know what to say about this. Probably not much value in here either, but it's a dead stock shoe. Can't complain about that. Size 10.5. NMD R2 BREDs. as far as Adidas goes, that's not too bad to get. Let's get this. This is a Jordan 1, size 12, Air Jordan 1. Oh, it's a Jordan 1 low. Okay, this is a worn pair. I think this is called like Midnight Navy or something like that. It's a Jordan 1 low. It's I think it plays off of the metallic blue Jordan 1s, but these are in good shape. I mean, a little bit of toe box greasing, as you can tell. Bottoms are barely used at all. I mean, just need a good cleanup. A little bit of insole wear. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. Probably not, but whatever. Size 12. These are actually pretty decent quality too. The leather's soft-ish. But there you go, size 12, metallic navy, Jordan 1 lows. I haven't seen a Jordan 1 low in a really long time. So we got 3 more in here, they're all Jordans, so I'm gonna grab this one out. This is a size 12 Air Jordan 12 Retro Low. These are worn. This is the Air Jordan 12 Retro Low. This is called Max Orange is this colorway, I think. It's got the orange tabs, but it's got suede on the upper and also leather on the upper. Look at that. It's like football leather on there, but the bottoms are really, really lightly worn. A little bit of creasing, nothing really to complain about. I mean, Jumpman is fully intact inside there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a 12 and it's a low. I don't think the value is gonna be super high on this. It's in good shape and it's a simple colorway, so. Size 12, Jordan 12 Retro Low, Max Orange. 2 more. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid. Oh, these are the HARE mids. Okay, because it comes with this little Bugsy Bunny. These are very lightly worn as well. Simple colorway in a Jordan 1 mid. It's got the tongue reminiscent with the Bugs Bunny branding on it instead of Nike Air or anything. It says HARE on the heel tab too, which is kind of cool. This is a little bit better quality than normal mids, I think, but they're in really lightly worn condition, size 12. Don't know the value on these. Can't be more than like 125, 150 bucks because mids just don't have, unless it's like a New Love mid or like a really desirable colorway, mids just don't have much value. That's just all there is to it. So we got one more in here. I can tell by the box which one it is. It's a size 11 Jordan 4 Levi's. Oh, if this is the OG one, I might have to keep it. It's not the OG one, but that's okay, I guess. This is the, man, these are really lightly worn. This is a size 11 of the white Levi's from last year. They're not very dirty on the uppers either too, so I'll be able to clean them up. This is my least favorite of the colorways. I just don't like all bright shoes because they're just kind of boring to me. When a brand does triple white or triple black colorways, it just says to me that they're running out of ideas and it's just not very fun or creative. But I know I'm in the minority when I say that, but that's just my opinion. This is a really sick shoe though. There's a lot of customization options for this shoe, and I know a lot of people like this colorway. So, size 11, Jordan 4 Retro Levi's, the white pair. Jumpman's still in there too. These are in good shape. Awesome. That is definitely the money shoe. And there is your $675 Sole Supremacy beater box. Let's give it a grade. Quick report card time. 3 categories: condition, sizes, and hype/value. Let's do condition. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 pairs of shoes in this $675 Sole Supremacy beater box, and I think either 2 or 3 of them are dead stock, and there's 3 of them without boxes. Condition will say C-. Sizes: 13, 11, 6.5 youth, 10.5, 10.5, 12, 12. Guess what? 12 and 11. Bigger sizes and 1 youth size. Not really great sizes either. So sizes on this box, D+. Hype/value. This seems like a pretty weak $675 box, but I could be wrong. I don't look that stuff up until after the video. So taking a wild guess, hype/value on this box, about a C- as well. So with the grade of C- for condition, the grade of D+ for sizes, and the grade of C- for hype/value, this $675 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of C-. In the SB Mitch report card, so I gave this box a letter grade of C- in that real lame segment, but let's see how much this box is actually worth.
Break it down.
I don't really know. I know the Levi's are worth a good amount, and the cool grays could be worth something, but I don't think this is gonna be anything crazy. It's still gonna be profitable, I just don't think it's gonna be anything crazy. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Be sure to criticize every little thing about this video because that's a good use of your time. Also say hello because I love responding to each and every one of you. All of these shoes will be available on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the next beater box I open will be the last I open in the city of Philadelphia. As I said in the last haul video, I am moving to the city of Chicago, but the last beater box that I'm filming here in Philly will have a special guest that you'll be able to know who it is, like, immediately. So that's all I got for you today. Have a great weekend. We'll see you soon. Until next time, take care of each other, and remember, treat others how you want to be treated. Bye.